Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup tutorial is inspired by the South Indian actress Aishwarya Lekshmi. She's a popular Malayalam and Tamil actress. She's a doctor, model and an actress. Today's video was requested by one of my subscribers. So a huge shout out to Deepthi. Let's get to the tutorial. I've already cleansed my face, so I'm going to start with a moisturizer. I'm currently using this one by Glow Recipe. It's an amazing moisturizer. It smells literally like watermelon. Next, I'm going to use this primer by Tatcha called the Silk Canvas. It's a protective primer. So if you're somebody who has large pores, you can use this primer to smooth out and fill in the pores or the fine lines so that your foundation will spread and look even. Another use is that if you want your makeup to last all day, this is a good option. Now third use, which is why I mainly use it, is because this creates a protective layer on your skin and prevents the foundation from seeping into your pores. So if you're like me who has sensitive skin, this is a very good option to prevent your makeup from clogging your pores and causing breakouts. So I've noticed that whenever I use this primer before foundation or even before sunscreen, I don't get any acne, I don't get any breakouts, but if I skip this, I'm pretty sure I'll get breakouts. So this has been really helpful, so let's apply some primer. This primer is free from toxic ingredients and can be applied to your eyes, lips and face. In this picture, Aishwarya Lekshmi has a very prominent eye makeup and almost nude lips. She has very pretty features, so she requires very little makeup. It almost looks like a no makeup routine. She has very beautiful and thick eyebrows. So let's first start with the eyebrows. Let's fill it in and make them look thick. I'm going to use my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Black. Her eyebrows are more arched, but I'm going to stick to my natural shape. Blend it out using the spoolie. Okay, I've done my best to thicken it up. And I'm going to set it in place with a tinted brow gel. You can also use a clear brow gel. Now let's move on to the eyes. So our eye makeup is lots and lots of kohl and a bit of brown eyeshadow. So we're going to first go with a kajal on the waterline. This is one of my favorite kajal. I find it much more easier to use than kohl pencils which you have to sharpen, and it's a natural kajal. Now if I leave my kajal like this, it's going to smudge. So I'm going to add a layer of brown eyeshadow underneath. It's going to set the kajal and prevent it from smudging. I'm going to do a brown smoky eye. I'm going to first take this brown eyeshadow on a fluffy brush, sweep it all over the eyelid and on the crease. Next I'm going to use a black eyeshadow on the outer V. Smoky eye is ready. Next I'm going to add a thin line with a black eyeliner. Now I'm going to add some mascara. I want to keep my base makeup really light, so I'm going to mix a face oil with my foundation to give a very light coverage. You can either mix the oil directly into the foundation or you can first apply the oil and then the foundation. I'm just dotting the foundation on my face. I'm going to use a wet sponge to blend it out. Now for a bit of concealer to conceal the under eyes. And also you can use a concealer to clean up any mistakes in the eyebrows. Give a very clean and finished look for your eyebrows. Now I'm going to set the concealer using some setting powder. Now for some blush, a little bit of bronzer. I'm adding a matte bronzer on the jawline, below the cheekbones and on the forehead. Also a little bit on the sides of the nose. and then a little bit of highlight. Now, last step, some lipstick. I'm gonna first line my lip with this Almond Rose Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner. I'm gonna top it with some lipstick. Now for the finishing touches, a small black bindi and some silver jhumkas. Now let me just style my hair and I'll be back. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do comment if you have any suggestions for what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.